Math Plus, where math makes sense. Decimals in numeral form. You see decimals in everyday life all around you. You've probably seen a stopwatch where it has decimals. Or when you get on the scales, most scales now show a decimal or a part of a pound. When you go to the grocery store, when you go to eat out anywhere, when you're looking at prices, or anytime you're dealing with money, you're dealing with decimals. Decimals in money separates the whole dollars from part of a dollar or the cents. Then, of course, when you fill up for gas, as you watch the meter run, it's showing you in decimal value. Again, it separates the whole gallon from a part of a gallon. So let's take a look at this numeral form and how we write it. Again, here's our place value chart that goes from thousands to thousandths with the TH. That tells us it's decimal form. And let's take a look at this menu. You can see that cupcake is $1.15. So to write that in this chart, you would put $1.15. Now, to help you understand decimal, you notice in the amount 15 cents, that's like a dime and a nickel, right? It's like a dime and a nickel. So the dime is 1/10 of a dollar. And then, of course, pennies, 1 penny, it takes 100 to equal a dollar. Well, for 15 cents, you have 5 pennies. So in other words, it would be 5 over 100, and this would be 1/10. So money fits nicely into our decimal place value. So let's look at another amount really quick here. What if we want to do, it looks like the milkshakes, $3.66. Notice it's like money. Again, the 66 is part of a dollar. And we call this $3.66. So this is decimals in numeral form. And we can create a lot of decimals in number form. Just remember, the decimal point always has to go beside the ones place because it separates the whole numbers from the decimal numbers or part of a whole number.